So guys, if you forgot screen time passcode or restrictions passcode on your iPhone, and if you want to recover it, now you can do that without setting your iPhone to factory reset. So what you want to do is go to settings on your iPhone, scroll down and select screen time. Again scroll down and look for change screen time passcode. Tap on it. Select change screen time passcode. Now here you want to select forgot passcode. And now you want to provide your Apple ID and password. And now hit OK. And now it is asking you to create a new screen time passcode. So create new passcode. Now re-verify your passcode. And that's all. Your screen time passcode is changed. And that's how you can reset or recover this screen time passcode right on your iPhone. This couldn't be easier than this. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I am Vikas signing off for the day. I'll see you guys in the next one.